I'm Courtney Gauna. I'm the manufacturing and sourcing specialist here at VibrantWorks. We empower people with vision loss. We have employees with vision loss that work at all levels of our organization, from manufacturing all the way to our executive level. We have about 450 employees, and half of them are legally blind.
My name is Isabel Flores, and I'm the receptionist here. I am visually impaired. I started as a machine operator. Then I ended up working in the assembling line. And then they had the opportunity as a receptionist. They helped me to do my resume. They give you education, they teach you, they tell you not to be nervous.
We work with a wide range of local small businesses all the way up to Department of Defense. We work on blowing aircraft floorboards, as well as general assembling, kitting, and textiles.
We had used them in the past to build Ebola kits. We shipped them up to Chicago to prepare them for the Ebola outbreak. And now they build the gallery kits for GRAIL. So it's a cancer diagnostic kit. It involves the use of absorbent pads, a refrigerant, a mylar bag, 2 blood collection tubes, and a bunch of literature that has to be put into each one of the kits.
With this Callan JMB project, we have the opportunity to empower our employees as well as save lives with this cancer detecting kit.
They love what they do. They're so dedicated to it. And to be honest, they probably do a better job than we do, because when they build these kits, they're just meticulous about this process.
Our employees can do this job better than anyone else because we set up our employees for success through training and continuous process improvements.
So not only are they're good at what they do, but it's a charitable organization that Wayne was very passionate about using.
It's nice working with a company like Callan JMB because we share similar values. They are very supportive of empowering our employees with vision loss.
I am married. My husband is blind. He has been working here 50 years. Okay, this is a company too where you don't want to actually leave. We're all excited that we work here at VibrantWorks. Get us involved. We're always willing to help anyone that walks into the door. We will be able to help and assist.
We've got to be able to leave a mark, not only as a company, but me personally as the founder and the owner of that company. There are those folks that can still do a lot, and they help us with our whole kitting process.